What's the meaning of al fresco? Al fresco. Al fresco. Al fresco. Al fresco. Al fresco.
The term al fresco is an Italian phrase used to describe an outdoor dining experience. The literal translation of the phrase is, in the fresh air. When dining al fresco, one typically eats outside in a natural setting, such as a patio, garden, or park. This type of dining experience often creates a relaxing and comfortable atmosphere for dining. The ambience of the outdoor setting, combined with fresh air and natural surroundings, can enhance the overall dining experience and create a sense of connection to nature.